Alright. Hey guys, WeatherWheelHVAC here. I'm here with Vann again.
Hey everybody.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm here with WeatherWheelHVAC.
Hello.
And yeah, checking out his collection in the basement. So we're gonna do some startups and everything like that. So stay tuned.
Alright. Alright, let's start out with this GE Super Thrust. Yeah, it's plugged in. Alright, you wanna do the honors?
Yeah, sure, I'll do the honors.
Alright.
Alright. We go for local.
It runs good. The fan's really quiet on this. It was a good amount of air for being that quiet too. Stored tag I did on the back of it. Good amount of air for being that quiet, really.
It's okay.
I mean, it's just for a 10,000 BTU, it's not bad at all.
Yeah, true.
Even high isn't that loud. You might as well just run on high.
Yeah, get more heat projection off of there. Alright.
Alright, you want to cut it off? Alright, next up we got the Siesta. Siesta's plugged in already, so I also fixed the fan on it.
What year is this one?
I have no clue. I think I should say it on here actually, I forgot. Serial. Is it on the serial? I don't remember.
No, they should have their own manufacturer date, I think.
Day of manufacture,
But yeah. 6100 BTU.
I think it's 88, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's from 88. Yeah. Can't really tell.
Yeah, it looks like it. Otherwise 86, I think.
Yeah. Alright, you wanna do the honors on this one?
Alright, sure. There it is. Rotary.
Yeah, it even has a front controller. Matsushita. I think it's Matsushita.
Nice unit.
It's good. Man needs some frost washing, but it runs good. Alright, wanna cut it off? Alright.
Alright, next we have a late 60s, possibly early 70s thin line.
I think it's from 68.
Yeah, 68. Thin line, 7500 BTU. Yeah, let's go local.
Compressor's very quiet on that one.
Oh yeah. I bet you couldn't hear it from inside.
Oh yeah, for sure. Mine really here's the refrigerator going through it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
You still have it in the... Okay.
Yeah, you can put it on low.
Yeah, I have to push it all the way in. Buttons are a little wonky on it, but I mean, it works.
Yeah, it blows out through right here, and then the rest is all in.
Well, no, actually this entire side gets blown out.
Oh yeah, you're right. Alright, felt like it was. Yeah. Alright.
It's basically a reverse weather wheel. Alright, here we go.
Alright, here's this Gibson Air Sweep. What year in BTU is it?
I think I don't really know much about the age because the Bendixes don't really have an age.
Yeah. And actually, I could just look on the.
I'm gonna assume 70s, possibly 70s through early 80s. I'm gonna assume on this one.
6,000.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Yeah. Compressor running on this one.
Sure. Go for low cool. It's got a Bendix in it.
Yep.
Want to get a closer compressor? Shot?
Nah, I'm gonna go right from back here.
Very good bedroom unit.
Oh, is the air sweep on? Yeah, it's on.
Yep, air sweep works.
You're building pressure.
Yeah. Already getting cold. See, it stops in place. Really quite a neat feature.
Really?
Makes you wonder why they can't do that on stuff nowadays.
Really? It's up on those super chill style rooms.
Yeah.
It's not hard to implement at all.
You move it up a little bit and it also closes.
You can just close it off. Yeah, it makes a nice rattling sound when I close it.
Yeah.
It gives it a little squeal from the air.
Yeah, that is a nice unit.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully you can find a logo for the door.
Oh yeah. Alright, Philco Ford 5. Alright, you can do the honors on this one.
Quiet as a mouse.
Not bad at all. Put an eye on it.
Yeah, I definitely keep it on fire all the time.
Yeah, she has.
Really quiet AE.
Alright. Start from the bottom, go up.
UK modular,
Got the Emerson Quiet Coil I got from KB.
9600 BTUs.
Pretty nice start.
Yeah, pretty quiet. It takes a while.
Some older Matsushita, I think.
Yeah, the better ones.
I've never had problems with them, like, you know, doing the classic Matsushita noises on the Emersons.
Right.
It's always with the other ones.
Yeah, that does sound really nice.
Yeah, I never have. These ones always seem quieter, in my opinion. I don't know why. I don't know what their magic powers are.
Yeah, something happened with the manufacturing. Starting to get cold on the top.
This top one here likes to rattle.
Oh, does it?
Compressor mounts are bad on it.
Ah.
They're
Yeah, I
like
remember that
plastic.
from your video, actually.
Like plastic.
Sure, this is off. Okay.
Alright.
Alright, now this modulator with bad compressor mounts.
That bad base pan altogether.
Yeah, it was ran in the basement, removing lots of humidity probably, so everything's probably rusted apart.
Oh yeah, it's like the base pan's crumbling.
Before you're getting cold though, and it has a full charge, right?
Oh yeah, it does. I might Franken unit and get the, and maybe take the parts from that other one and put them in this one. I might take the refrigeration system from this one and plop it into that one.
That's what I would do.
Yeah, plus the base pan is so much better on that one.
Yeah, you make a whole unit. Alright, now this cold spot casement.
Alright.
Go for it.
Alright, let's let her rip. I need to get better washers for it, but I mean, it runs. Give it some. This thing likes to rattle still, so I don't know.
Close that on that side.
Yeah. Not too bad. Hit high on the inside.
Yeah. Need to go slider.
Check out the controls. You can see it's like one knob and two.
Yeah.
Great thermostat.
Really pretty cool. And it's a cold spot, so it's getting cold immediately.
Yeah, I need to find better. Grommets for that fan motor.
Yeah. 70 Sears Viewsaver.
All right. Do the honors on this one. Doesn't want to. It doesn't go. You have to go to high and go down.
Sears compressor.
See if I can put it in between.
Yeah.
Silent. Literally silent.
Literally. That's what you would advertise as whisper quiet. That's where it's getting cold, actually.
Yeah, really.
I don't know what kind of window you'd put this in, but that's probably why they're all not too common.
A small one. Put on auto. Oh yeah, you want to see something cool about auto?
Sure.
Turn down the thermostat a little bit.
Oh, it's an energy saver? I'm guessing.
No. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. There you go. See, it goes down to low.
Oh, I see. So it's kind of like it picks your face.
It goes in between. Yeah.
On the knee.
That and here's high.
Very nice.
And it got a vent in there. That's kind of sticky, but it works. Alright, shut her off. Oh yeah, we forgot to show this part.
You can also
the party trick. I'll show us party trick.
More of a Mediterranean style front.
Oh. Okay. Oh. Come on. Yeah, no.
Yeah, you get the idea.
You get the idea.
I like the other side better. I think this one.
Yeah, I like the wood grain better in my opinion. I mean, but yeah, if you want that, if you're into it, I mean, you do you.
That's why they put it on.
Alright, we're gonna do my unit. Good old GM with an AK compressor with that smoke gray that it's already flaking off. I have to redo it. Anyway, here we go. Wow. Thermostat on this one cut out too. This one's easy to do though. So I'll cut that over. That's the inside figure out if you want to see it. You see how the thermostat's put in there is actually quite smart. You can get it out.
Cool. You can do that.
All right, yeah. This is a new unit. I traded this one with does he have a YouTube channel or should I just say his name?
Oh yeah, Crystal Air Antique Fans.
Oh yeah, yeah, I traded it with him for he wanted my carry cool, so I was willing to trade because this one's more of a top of the line model.
Yeah.
See, here it is. Very nice condition. Well, it's not in the greatest, but I mean, I can fix that up easily. I might try like something to whiten up the plastic on it. So yeah, without further ado, okay, man, you wanna get on the other side there?
Yeah, sure.
All right, here we go. Low cool. This one actually used to belong to Vann. He gave it to Crystal Air, and then I got it.
It's a 5900, I think. 5800.
Yeah, 5800. Ooh, she's loud on high. an energy saver too. Not bad sounding. Your refrigerant flowing. Nice. Alright. You got the 1967 GM.
1967 GM Frigidaire. What is this, a 6000, right?
Yeah. I'll start it up. First of this one likes to take a minute. The fan takes a second to start up because the fan's an inside out, of course. So I'll start it up on a fan first, and then I'll switch to low cool. Okay, she clicks. Fan has a nice startup.
Yeah, it does. Philco.
Alright, I'll bring it over to cool. There it goes.
Yeah, that AJ wants to rattle.
Won't want to build pressure at all.
Hopefully you can find a tag for the back.
Oh yeah. I'll put one out, I guess.
Yeah.
Try it high.
Yeah, it's nice you got this one back together now. Working.
Yeah.
Airflow is
Mild.
ridiculous, but you know, you can cool a closet with this, that's about it.
I mean, I guess it cools it slowly.
Alright.
Which I don't mind, I guess. No wonder why Ken's freezes up.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Yeah.
Things are weak.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, alright. That's about it for the basement, I guess.
Okay. I want to hear.
Alright, we're just gonna see how bad this thing really is.
Yeah.
Look at these cheesy events though.
Planned obsolescence, garbage. Look at this. What is this gonna do?
Nothing.
This is stupid.
Like, at least do something like this one where it's just like, you know, one. You know, don't do that thinking that'll go up and down. It's not.
Flimsy piece of junk.
Alright, let's see.
Well,
Let's see, we'll try. Don't work.
look how small the letters on the data sheet are.
Yeah.
You can't even read that. I can't even read it.
We're gonna try it cool. Alright.
Put it in between and then turn it up.
It's loud. It rattles everything. It's probably because of that shroud being broken, but damn.
Dang, even the other rotaries didn't do that.
It wasn't even 2 years old when it got thrown out. It
Yeah.
wasn't even 2 years old. GMC suit.
Yeah, he's a
Junk. It's more junkier than this. I don't know. Alright.
What a piece of shit.
Really?
Seriously.
It's loud.
Honestly, I'm surprised about the amount of airflow.
It shakes.
But yeah,
It's a
what
junk.
the fuck is this piece of shit?
We're not.
We should really just destroy this thing in the driveway instead of selling it.
Listen to this. You hear this?
I will say the compressor is actually pretty quiet, but it's rattling a lot. Not to be on the unit's behalf, but like.
Yeah.
Wow.
Bearings are going shot on it.
Sad.
Piece of junk. Hey, you got a shroud for it.
That is absolutely sad.
I might just scrap this thing out,
We
honestly.
should just take a sledgehammer to it.
I mean, I would, but you know, refrigerant loss.
Yeah.
Don't want to do that. I really don't feel like getting fined. Alright guys, so here's another thing I got from Vann. I got this old Sony Trinitron television. So let's start it up. Here we go. It's loud. Yeah, there's your volume slider right here. Takes a minute for the television to get going, but it's not hooked up to anything. There it comes. There it comes. See, there you go. Just about. See, got static. Got your different channels here. You got that one, that one. VCR. There you go. 2. Cool though. Really cool. Shut that off. Really nice. Solid television. I'd like to see if I can get it hooked up to cable box or something.